Naposun Koma Ibidi West Africa program to combat AIDS and STI in its fly a pest-free life Agbeve Herbal Hospital and have a Feco spray starch look sharp latest foam your partner for life Societe Generale SG Ghana. The future is you. Vodafone, the future is exciting. Ready. O'Neill and Ponsa, good morning, baby. I will be Amsterdam, that show, Sabri, and if you know, America, Guy G, and a Kwame Kessi Golden Radio, and if you know, Baba Felix, Munina Timon Kache, Michael in Ketiabo, Australia, good morning. About there. Bibi Aboko.
It's my Bibi Aboko.
Over him say.
Hits man. I'm a boss idea. Me boy na. I'm a kind of feeling be. DJ hits man.
I'm feeling be.
Now known as my Asante.
Remember program so. Na what you made in common. And I was so baby question say it won't saying I say oh minka I do want to program me see after hours.
After hours.
Me shege any time. Then I'm person examine the breast was a cancer bia.
Eba ma twemu tema kamena sa ga na breast ne ko ma anodin.
Na esa
anodin. Me doctor Juma say be dia ma me.
Doctor Juma no.
Me ntimi nse da nyen sa.
Adentia.
It me ko school na science kra ma me timo da. Wa I say why is da ho na obo ne pan e sam ketu. Ora ho ba po no Japan ni ma form say ti. Oh my son, I'm making as me. Because time my eye,
or no, Usro said, and you use some of my Japan, and you never tell how. The doctor, you'll be an end of Juma. Dr. Jumano,
you'll be an end of Juma. Miss a gynecologist, so the champion.
Are they?
Mean to me, yet my son and one.
It's your judges who are gynecologist or a band, and it's on your papa.
Let me count just here.
Oh, Dimini.
Hey, only problem. I'll tell you, say,
oh, problem.
I'll tell you, yes, the opportunity you want to me, and I'm watching you. The gynecologist, because I draw that way. If you don't remember, I draw them. I say, examine.
Diamonds on the soles of his shoes. Diamonds on the soles of his shoes.
Oh, everybody go.
Kasa dey make me akasa, nti na me tia me kasa.
Kasa dey make me akasa.
Who dey obetimi aya no why ne sa na.
Nipa bia so who dey obetimi aya.
No why no problem any ba wi ase o. Dey ontimi no oye. Wanya politician must okoko ye fe. Na wo worry dey. Okwa ye beto ama wo. We are star, why ye movies. Okwa ye beto ama wo. No akogina.
So wonya
politician. Dem go to the yes okoko dey fata sofo. Bebre na ko sofo. Onye sofo ya mfenso me sofo. Ba so the money be say what's the sofo? To be ma abasini suit. Hwe okoko. Hwe papa ya what am I?
Obi timi show was uti se ohene. Wo dey say okoko. It's be kro me so ahifie me me.
Wa kwa twema.
Na me di makotwema so.
Wo say uti se ohene.
Ubekubio.
Who do obetimi aye? Na aye.
Who do obetimi aye?
Aye problem bi ani ho.
Who do obetimi aye?
Na waye.
Say nay, me madwuma no say me ye man yanka adwuma. Metwitwa nam. Na mani gi ho so say metwitwa no.
Eno na adwuma. Utwa nam na ayo say na oya ho ye wo. Wani je obi okwadwuma wa mu na bia nya ne field.
Wo okwadwuma mu.
No wa mu na nya wo field.
Idi adwo abetira akira na wo ye story na wo mu na kusu a.
Just nya wo field no. Wo dia me na me ye HR wanka da bia mba ba office no hwe obi anim. Wani nkwa betuma mayi wadi.
Wani
mpeke. Wani ma de to office wo say wo kan wani mu asi. Mayi wadi just nya wo field. Aye wo field say wo sresre.
Untimi nye soja ni ususu me soja.
Owo ba na udwane.
Owo ba udwane.
Na udwane na bomb ba ba de.
Owo mpo na udwane.
Na bomb. Hiroshima.
She makes the sign of a teaspoon, he makes the sign of a wave.
But I just said, I'm
Pamama Frontiers. As I'm because next Friday, no, my comedy show, but I just some money away. Naposo, London for na pause. Na pause, no call on na pause, near the Bragana.
I see, they are already coming.
I'm going to credit them and me, or the Kama. Now, Asana Wan said, I yakoso modam in science for raise issues be said, down on ya and can life why 54 years. That's a say, you decommission. 10 years, but the Akoso Moya and Yan. I'm the only kind of Yana Bear, we are saying. Ghana credit, I insisted too.
Yeah, you're quite in power.
What you say? And I still, Akoso Mondas want to say, I had time bomb. I am ready, Explodia, Yahoba.
Yeah, Yakoso Mui.
Yes. This is about the third largest a year, actually.
Wow.
We are saying. I'm the chair says ya hwe ye science for na ka me nim ho asem o se ya hwe ye dia say ya ndi commission no e beti my problem e dia man eno e wa ha say ana na Akufo-Addo his excellency especially around come on in the better career
no especially
round say o pesa round no but other ones but round
it's na say so
eso e de ni kosu so pepepe eno escafo no lawyer for na hye na do the same dia to just say eye ewiase nsakra na ye friend climate change no ye nyina ye fa ye hunjim eye Africa for ye nyina ye focus so say ye for ye ni to so say saa de no ye be ye free what the say no what an necessary na necessary ozone layer no say air deplete ani say air share ani eno so ene kura ye enti obi afa ne hunjim ye ma ne ye asede say ye be ma eye environmental changes no a change for the better and not for the worse and also ho asem and wa hai okro mu fo so anya ye
yeah
why dey on one kasa bona the title ya dey o say queen mother of Sunyane na say Sunyane nchiche mu still ana so yes na
say bunu ana bunu is ana afia hafo nti hafo no go so ne duan kwanta ne Kenya se number 1 and 2 ne sa mia hono ya na oba bunu ankasa bunu ne Sunyane ase no ko
bunu Sunyane na Sunyan bi mu ka Sunyane ni na okesi ani a ebisi but they the right one
obusa mo ya opanya jikum
na so they want na mo hoda o hit my nya wana o hit basa opanya no so ho asem kakra e wa ha sei na ya say de eye ehemfo ene asofo na etu ose ema na Akufo-Addo e say what the eye initiative a changing lives na aba e be to say free education is me say me som e de say na wi ase ko no anhwe be kakra popcorn kra na de app na be chi
say the AC ko
popcorn wo hwe ya wo ye popcorn kra na ade unya app e wo phone so a be me bro na guso am na huru it is say no free education de me say me som papa
it is a jo hwe ni ye popcorn e ni ye
o ma wunim say niam ko no wunim ade am timi twi taxi
because of his share ba no
the next 10 years no if you can't read and write you can't drive a taxi
the free SHS be bua me
to chairman na am for be mra a private for no so side because they say school fees me chairman me man me ko investment tua bi da. Hey, you got a point I'm making.
Yeah,
my children's school fees is more than how much I paid at the university. And why in free or maybe in this private side.
Private the end ujiri se san common CD.
It's a CD san common.
Private or open.
No. Yeah, say you year my free private the umba buy school when you buy binta. Say you know
it's a buying so much or quite be so.
Some way.
Subsidy be.
And my want to kakra ho.
I the one I say for our private school.
Asama who can you and I make us year my free private hall. Ever can't be pretty abiding on one. Oh, we never been to.
No, I know they want to catch us say abiding the needed expansion amount to be free SHS.
Oh, yeah, you are a place like Paul Kigami, a Krumono.
Yeah,
private schools are good. Issue. They went on demonstration because the government school is so good, sir, will be uncle private beam. Opa, you can Google it and see. The private schools are collapsing because Aquanama school now there. I have fair. One kid, one tap, and I just a school them where you fair. It will be on the bank private be a woman a buying. And I'm not buying a train. So buy ma and can only be private. One with the opposite.
Diana the Janico.
Oh, yeah, beba. Yeah, beba.
I bind the
had your papa. Ominkasa papa. But a year. So when ya say ya public schools money to be a Morning Star, the youngsters. It's a Achimota. Why did you uncle? Let me count you. Yeah. You were buying school at Achimota. I just say Akosomo International. I didn't tell me my bank be.
Say another a choice. It won't open out of by Ecosabia.
That is so much money permanent come. Na ya kono. And my example say Pokigami son why Rwanda. And you know, Obia de Bakwa by school. Ama private school for a strike, a demonstration.
Fancy me count of your family.
You become one mamma choir make says and Casa de Mepe. And yes, some much check you man. I am when you can't share Napco for an answer. Why? But Umian and Adonamo Sasso, I can't tell some more multimedia. Will be able to free Napco pass. Nancy, take your pure water, my Piskin Camano, my Pedram and I and say, oh my Tintia, and would drop. I bet me a Boagana mine, and any kind, and show one sana. I should invest your kind of phone, telephone, and so on, Sam Kakra. I will say, then the graphic there could be the man Cabidia, now I'm a crank and yet. People sing now from phone on Quadia, or the heart to twist a premier near Tasso, or the Sam Kakra Atuja, Napcos and Sam Kakra, a woman, and I feel Sagana secure a Nigeria force so action. so what about the young macro soon? Ya the chance entwa ye ya ka alata ya so womwa enti Ghana mpanifo kuso ene omudi nkomo na be ya ye be bia tum na bibia aye kama eno so ho asem kakra e wa ha owura ofosu ampofo obaka ni tape ne ho sensem a
the tape dey na sa babiem
the chance say dia wasesa asem ne kra the chance adenti na medi mi nkomo meni a wana na nya ye tuma ye ka when the man writes our record at the betu
adenti na medi mi nkomo
now record I have the right to privacy and you walk between tape no where are you from
adenti na medi mi nkomo
now be record
near public conversation
deputy menya me nkomo meni a wana na kan tu ehwa ni lawyer ayi say for you say me na me record na obeto to table na say no atwe voice why
na adenti na unso obesu say unso be di nkomo a ebeto abonti a unso ho be kire
deputy me na me de me nkomo
awu na wo de wo
nkomo ni ya me dia it is not your conversation when you so can parliament jobeso channel no
okay
o se ne ba bi
enye bedwam nkomo kokuo mu nkomo
na ba record say ye hwesa case ni ma
nti wu nipa no kra wo tu sa na wo pese o chese
off what be we my voice what be we my voice sana paper so chile court no then so ho asem kakra e wa asei na afei so eye omampani kufo eye sexual hwan na abai na no atum de chese so pani trafie na se kwada ewe eya nanka ya kananka wefo a ya kan ne kan ho
na so panyin bi o tifie o mo we nanka ba no ni
wa hwe papa ba ku izano mo ye no man ya okoi
no mo we nanka
o fie wan nanka na ye bi kebab no ma we ni nyina wonte hwe he so rest in peace nyama na me body ni mu a wonim
Professor Mills asem na o
me ba to me de me modin o man wo de wo lawyer me ni lawyer ti me ba kromo am hwe me ka se o man pani kufo da man pani da kufo se aye sa sexual hwan education ya ban Ghana fo nya dede o man se ba critical ba follow you me se kwa me ahem ya na ti ana me ko to awisa ko me wo so sa ma ba bia betina enti wo ka wa sama me for manu ntum me ni lawyer me fa bi da
oh my goodness
enti o man pani ni che se ebetimi a sa sexual ayi aye ka ho dede na we mu dia fa traditional leaders Islam forces say ye nya kasa bibiri no
ene adwede ho nsema e dia Ghana ne Nigeria o se border so ntokwa bi baba no na ebinum so nchire mo de ba se an se Ghana fo so mo tie atwa bi wa hanom se na mo bro Nigeria fo
no tipto lady kakra no ka
bari bi kwa na enye sensu so na enti yenye nchire mu kakra bi mra na ehwe de Guta regional chairman e ka che kodwa amwate e ka che kodwa ma che na police say
Yuzu sende uja no sa ni go
mo ko improvement bi amai
my member of the just na mencha Ghana for na answer na me call question is no impression bi enkofo bi ya create impression bi say yen na ye pa ya ban che say on fa ye mra nya adwuma nti na Nigeria for ye ne a omo ye nya sa e pa Ghana for che Nigeria for adwuma a omo di sese ni ye in response to what we did Mr. Ghana for pa na the Nigeria for ye sese no ye Guta for crowd ye bo ma baso ye bo ma baso ama omo mo apiafo because omo chirese omo ye mema ana omo chirese omo twin omo manfo ana omo chirese omo twedi body omo protect omo etiyen Guta for the Nigeria for ye ndie ye salute omo ne ka se mo apiafo omo nkoso na the young man paying for a person almost a yen. The young Sub-Saharan Africa and as ECOWAS, the young signing to a protocol. Yeah, young say free movement of goods and services. 90 days. No say free, no come. But make sure say, and your man how they call member state, and your money here, and your man you produce will come. That is the protocol. Protocol ni na baby anka say kofa is na a member state to ko import niema na wo ko yima okromu fonya revenue na wa load we gu kam ni wa twena say yire e dia ko wura member state ko no and yes na protocol na ka na ECOWAS protocol na say be ya you so see betina trade among ourselves be ya you betina ma your manufacturing sector no so make grow no and Yama would you will come, would you? Dingagana has a think upon your kente ya, which me Fabi, north of Omu Fukui, which me Fabi, Yan Crobo for Tama Omuye, which me Fabi, Nakaja Toko, Burkina Faso, Mali. That's all for
I see.
And the protocols next day. Yes, so young Nigeria for the protocols in the one all man can.
Now, are you sure of your 90 days? How can I say?
Oh, yes. I'm a trade. 90 days. I'm a protocol. Over 90 days. Thought about phone near my. No one's about home. Now, once I call over 30 years. But won't mean more than 90 days. I'm a protocol. Now, young Nigeria for almost any institute protocol. And I won't go a third further. Upon the 43 items. So almost yes, 43 items. So obey your Ukumu, Uno Ukumu, almost my own farmer Umukum, because Umukum is ABO. Now wait, and I'm a dear, and no more my you and you come in Snuma. I might make a. Young Nigeria for say. Almost protocols and I just found 43 items from Mokaya. No woman, Baku Air Cement. Almost opiate me for cement and my Mukum. Of iron.
Meet you.
To my Ainty, Ghana, Captain, and a diamond cement. Any cement that you come me meaning. Almost to me and meet the demand. The captain between diamond cement and meet the demand. And you never involve a trim you nuisance and you back one in the back. And the Nigeria was almost be a cement in Momukum. The other knows the traffic. Momu to them could take the cement in mine.
Hey,
Nia can say almost all will be fast track card. So Emma Nukum. Group was almost mine. Grow almost fast card, you know, the end will bring you. And I say another matter. You know, Nigeria, I'm going to
no correct.
Ain't Nia can say. Almost penny and me and my way money to much more. Oh, what faster? At a sovereign state, any state elected 7 states in Nigeria. Any subset, yeah, Ghana, yeah, instead Nigeria for move. Ghana, you see a sovereign state. It is in Nigeria for some male financial custom near diamonds and military audio. It is the president of Mampany for there was substance. So almost a cafe. I read. The Muslim may have fire cement in the Mukumubia, down Pati, also cement Moya, for Nigeria. Now, so much about them. What I don't know what to know, then Danny Casamoka can say. And yet, I can bunny any town bunny in Nigeria for you. Or mine in a small call for the moon coconut, and yet, a camo. The young wood down for this cement, air bar. Almost all much about any man, so they're clear, and I see fine. Now, what dear, almost your man, air cock, West Africa County 3 years. You do one more be about them, and become uncle. Now, near ever almost dear, almost a baby. For how long? And a Ghana, and for take care for granted. For how long? And at the sovereign state, you better not in another state of Bullet. Maybe, the American said. The entire will be a young moment and pomp and for a bit of Minnesota. Also, for it would be a good to so. It's about time our leaders rise up, is to stand up and be counted. Young people granted our mind Ghana, no crew or mindful for and the finding no way I forget. Sir, or mine. Except and go for your mind. You may not tell our friend I can say. Tell Kosia. If you are in India, the banking sector, if you see a Ghana, you have 5 major banks in Ghana, one shall Ghana bank if you account. What you to most of for food to you, I guess it. Okay. And the several young crop for almost support near into the future. Almost free, and then only as a toss. Papa's or Papa, so good up for you and more than true. And your mind here, anything I move be a kata. I step in game movie baby, you're doing life or no. A beer, and I need to be my beer and cake, my young savings that I can be in your shy and complete summer. That was a bomb for the friend. Now, so intima. Yamia, Mommy, and Mammy, you have to tell men one in the business. na me born me baby ase se me ye dwumaden from more humanity and no thing na ye ka say ye mpany for say and it on funny any the goodness na na kill for a so no it's about time our leaders rise up and do it ya and no ya ma me say ya ko botwi oni papa lancha man o mutu anamon the same way no my man so funny almost nyama ema o mai mu e dina me na mo fidi case e ka say we can ni ni nya le o adum no to nsem na ko to cement ku si ya dan ko cement de ya and physical to physical to diamond cement physical to carpet na o mu ntimi expand na ko la ya o mu ko school o mu so ria o mu nya adwuma ne na me second sika for say take o mu so mi bi the better be near can rely on them. Because the next the best case can be the amount of no much $100 no more the book. Yes, so you have brought it is that true. No pain to Mama or Tonipa. You might be on call for almost so I what kind of this place Ghanaians almost so betting your peer to market. Now, I know me, you Tony Petron in India put us on. Now almost so no more expanded.
Kwadwa Mwate, the who preach and obey ni say yes, Yemuna, Yenja Nigerian products be out ana.
Another man. Now, can say, the pomp for a better in a swap. On for it, I would get to the castle. The Nigeria for say, I know not to train Naka, who really has on the WhatsApp number, but the person know. 43 items, and no, we are going to the man or the post.
I may a crown, me who do one, Makuma Quadriana, 43.
Almost a train, I can say. No, you know, for the mention, when you come with the anyway, it's not my secretary can show me. Yes, I'm a man to be in Nigeria and we're proving.
I said trade minister and foreign affairs minister, one of the aiding Kitawana Bibias anyhow.
Oh, sir, you didn't get down. I don't got almost a problem. Then the Muslim of America was a bit down every year. That's him by agreement. They said, okay, we'll be out on the phone. And I will be able to the call Epadia. But they say I didn't get down. And I was saying, more bottle for them. Will be out and make them a room. The town is a thing, you shouldn't see her. On the personal travel. That kind of what you lose. No. Almost that kind of what you put in front of the bottom. And Nigeria for some from a deba. And I said, oh, put us to be a two Mukuma air, Indomia Cassette. Although I said, I'm going to buy Indomie now. Why in the export of Indomie in Nigeria for? Why in the export of grass and a pair for Cantamanto? Open one country, another member country, or more, a Dwaso, I will use growing and Nigeria for almost all the comedy, almost Mapa, or Pienua, or do use growing Babao. It's all Nigerian. You are mine, and then you're 2 million and computers on fire. The American, if it doesn't make sense, argument it doesn't make sense.
No, but could you send the maybe say, the same commodity, dear, I don't still in your solution. Yeah, na Montuna, a whom and I'm reum, and I say, okay, can I one answer and we pay you immediately.
And Mammy, or mine, either somebody bread has been battered or we are cowards. And then we mean because on mine is a tasty and never say papa because it's a music producer. Now I produce who on mine. Now when you come to back also a despite group. Almost the more on your moon. Now almost on your mouth, almost so a despite a producer. Now on mine over with you. Now it's not PP and I want mine when you're here. Now you're the Cement, your war may be two, the Mamoto way. A custom cement near the year, and yes, only the anomaly money a papa chan yet. And I said, custom for the diamonds and 18 meeting a demand. If you hadn't seen how do you be a fine? obi ni eme compete abiakwa yen betimi aye ta na omo de ye bodua no etu ayonko wa etu eduem ana wokoma yanka na wokopa nyimpi a wo de wo pa tata ba esti unye ja wo de yare on the custom ni diamond na me kasa ma wo mo be yo mo de ba be wo mo de tu Ghana for fi bodua ni ye ka ampanyin fu we no bi anka bi man na ampanyin fu se wodo ebeba on the wo mo de fi bodua so no on the wo de ba mo ampanyin fu izo na ta na be koso the Ghana for ya nsawe on na say a look at a comprehensive sexuality education. Now, any animal with deep, ya suffer no young animal penny for Muslim for penny, with you on Hoyal. Ya suffer me a penny for you, I expect to say a bar, sorry, ya bet your time, never to offer. A brown home to you anyway, a tumor yet. Oh, me, yeah, you be a man, and tight before today, and somewhere good before you can. Yen sama ebobwa wo man no yen sama ebema ye o manfo no boto man yotu etienka bi ma wo mo o manka o na say we ba ye o mo kan yi aye adwuma because o mo ye nkrofo a ye pu wo mo because yen sama ye kwa so o mo katre ye kwa mosque o mo katre yen sama eboa me ye de titire wo man etinanka we ba ye ya ye tu ya no aduane afiri ye danu na ye expect ko mo so do o man no betum no mo to me ya kan ya ti o man na si o ama intirima na yenya na ekosi the same thing yenya no Chinese for so ye say wo mo di bibia betum kam na ka meton paboyi me kwa akoje visa no mo wu ze bia meton paboyi ni nkonya o da di visa me ye koso aba form o mo fa ma no mo yo ma sa cho so Chinese ni di kwa je 3000 kunu lo di ko ye ba ni bo yo o mo hwe ya report on my home. Ya you said they will call the ambassador to order. So, a good so a coso. Can you know US 5 years, and UK 2 years? Or no businessman or all China 2 weeks after in the business. Or could do one more. Yes, I will say no. No reason. How? For how long will people take us for granted, Daniel?
But how do you jump into that conclusion that you are being taken for granted?
Yeah. O man yene chere me say mami captain me zo me tiwe me start call China 12 years ni me kind ni air ticket ya me dia call China ngwa it was 92 it takes me call China more than 92 times. I think in the one country on this planet yeah we call continuous 12 years more than 90 times. Now almost me now a year later. Tell me one country on this planet. Even almighty US. They have got time to answer 5,000 that's the moment 5 years. UK. A dear by a Chinese people, I tend to ban one more. Yeah, if you almost took down of 1 year, who purchased the album on the mount? Who give me the correct document if you move the other before, or you refuse to without any reason? Are you not taking for granted? If you are not taking for granted, man, you tell me. A dear bad in Niban or China just to come and inject money into your economy. And that's also your problem. Now, more can't say that on call for the peers of you are, if you don't find a man or more. Now, already on, yes, what you want to do. The Destiny Day demonstration, you know, the Kumano, and something for me to Miss Rano. Yeah, Yeka, no mumbatum between one among Yeka, or mumbatum between one among the day that we will hit the ground with the Destiny Day demonstration. I'm sure you be saying papa because I'm taking for say a crack, or Jamie Fick,
A crack,
or Jamie Fick. All the maybe all my own come for out on a bear. And you may be why the yo, a good baby, oh, Tunisia. Why now starting in Fire? One school. Yeah, what piano, or pick my winner. One day when you're here. Sir, and there's a whoopam move out on the bear. It's a Chinese for because what and again. Then Nigeria forces what to run over the game. Then you need a new phobia on the Kempia Mayania. ɛdeɛ baagye na wowɔ man no suggestion sɛ yɛnyɛ
do Destiny Day a demonstration. You know Hokra baby akra. Because the last time I make Kaisi share or Ecosi say Semper Studios no. Ye din komo kodum pempen sobia na a minister trade then a bedi train any other major stakeholders. To Anamombia Anamontoni say ye pese ye na Nyoma Emma ho kwansa manfrafo anasa ho bedi dwa edwa bi ewe krumanum si no yetimi ayi saa hyehyɛ na free honum. I think say the timelines crowd to home na minim mon kita hundie no ekosi sen
ekosi sen there will be program o man so the ka ayuna deputy minister and the yin fi no no bi nyedwa de fonti no into the unity me kan ase
deputy minister ben say nyedwa de fonti no
your trade, you know, think the point, you know, the way in charge of trade, you know, think it put up point and get in a bar. To the American cancer. Chat. Sanya may I walk in. Mine. Say to America the destiny demonstration ain't a bit to one say. And then call UTC. Wouldn't need your. I need before I pay you almost Diana. Now, almost a no material. We are kind of me almost a moment being.
China for no.
Me make a tell, and then uko mokola. Yeah, the rent a dia store dia de ma 5 years no. Yes, $60,000 to $80,000. Or I $60,000 to $80,000. Or any $50,000. Ghana ni can afford to one in a $50,000. And they rent to stop for 5 years.
$50,000 now cano.
Me make a tell, and I have evidence. Yes, I will provide it to you. $50,000 for 5 years. It's super. Not a whole kind of thing now, baby. Now about what? If you say a magic, or you know, when you're going to use a scanning near you. Now, I'm making shopping. That's shop or that man is $17,000 for 10 years. So, when I be going, yes, you $50,000 for 5 years. No, you come not have seen a bit. And I can pop up a bit of money for mine. But you are the penny 40 years from yeah, you can't almost see. Where's control so much of Mino because I have letter a community for Western House. Then the people who send you without say, I'm not tired of the bit they stop on my rent amount of money. And then a long period of time. So as I speak now, the year of Prime Minister announced the Nubian assignment. Also, I met you the other country who granted will be able to also let the human and our family business in dollars. Almost its office. Almost come from now, almost all cars. Almost bet you one almost.
But sir,
someone making no mind is just reading the you are catching them more.
But sir, Sanchi sharing the BOG4 ama instructions. I think almost 6-7 months ni that you need our dollar more Ghana and they added down.
After that, I'm thinking before we are get 7 minutes. And what big hotels. Oh, yeah, it is both written. Yeah, woman, who do want dance here? And they get more hotels but 5 top hotels that work on more rich, more airport. Or mine no park. Almost go to a musical dollar, my mind Ghana food me. Would you walk through? Almost go to a dollar man, I'm going to in Qatar.
In fact, estate developers na say dollars near more. But hotels mean sharing so. But estate developers in there.
And you remember Uncle Lance, you go hotel, you know, we are sort of inspiration to some of us. If you don't mind, so almost go to a dollar, we are begging for almost not a normal meeting. You know, Kutiaka, you can go to a dollar, and so much now come as Mrs. Romanima, and then okay, no good thing. So what's the more in dollars? They are doing it. What are the sanctions? What are the punishments?
Okay.
China managed, we have some of the fine laws, but implementation. Yeah, you're paying for Romani. Can't say, some lay can't go for bush. And so, yeah,
okay, Koyo, you better ask and come over. Good for the minimum Yahama Besiano Pay, Yakase.
No, be an opposite we. So, you know, Mopala may do a Montiaki.
What I remember
saying after the opposite we.
I really can't say a baby, my ever say a bit because I am sure Tom to say, eh, now, and I'm more Kojumako Tuina and they who should show a ban, I say, beyond just Manamontua, number some to correct what the Ghanaian deserves, you know, and I think it is clearly the work idea. As I say, beyond the normal enough, Yaji Brema and paying for so chas, yes, once your dear who as a minor, Ubi to me for Quatico NCCA, Eununa, Enti Nemu Destiny Day, Nidia, young Cosso Homes because say the most Yakano, said you boom, Yahweh, and who's your son, and your papa.
I'll speak to you now. May I say, if I'm pitching the cry, your president, your national president, they say, it. Abayam and his canteen are own to me and cause demonstration. And as I do years so, I know me do office, Nipper Guano, my intimacy form. Me do an security that in there, catch it, and go full office on. And I'm saying to card full. 89, the pressure, we can't bear it. The pressure is becoming one too many. Am I? Almost I don't know.
Kojo Midase, Kojo Amati, good original chairman, Emma, a greater crown, what is in Atchin Common. Now on Nantimu, and a Ghana, and a Nigeria, share so, border sono, Yanya who quite to me in Remisan say, one day she shall be Atua Quemu, and yeah, but you're trying to come on so about. Tasty Tom, Megusoka say open and enriched tomato mixer, perfect for the family, very nutritious. And Medianos del Quanso Kosukra, Tasty Tom, and no so compared Chiraquine. Tasty Tom and enriched tomato mix, and what didn't so quite a mano. Idea a ye pa. Me say, so your own quine, I say, our boom will be with Tasty Tom. So I latest from your brabo yonko, and then obey your brabo yonko. For over years, they've demonstrated some password on Tronswa when in was that. It is a now pay 1-seater, and 2-seater, and 3-seater L-shaped air sofa now. Yes, in the come just to suit your home and as our office and our hotel. So open comfortability and kasana durability, quality and perfect finishing there. A new kwanso here baby, latest foam and as I say, do any chair a wabra bomu yonko passem and a making. And yanko who say nipa o yonko da no da ntiene akwanya banasa hoden wo na se ukotonsuo nko de atonsuo a efre no awake purified drinking water de ntia make am for man say ebra woto sensuo no na yeyimu eye a percentage na ya de support National Cardiothoracic Center I wo Kolibu ho no mo ya akoma ho adwuma obi nim chinasem enti mesrew onom awake purified drinking water no na o jinkwa bi Casapreco Company Limited no 1 and a day awake purified drinking water aba ofra number from near 0262 351251 0262 351251 now ne one intimate link kita ho ni peduano so hwehwemu hia if we say onama abi atim onama no so abiru onama wati bibi nkoyi a yes biribi ada abegya daje no ni peduano hwehwemu Grace Homeopathic Clinic say bra for general consulting, laboratory service, general body scan, physiotherapy, and dietary counseling. One bebo or kwanso kusukra. Show na chia kwanso me Grace Homeopathic Clinic here. Madina Akachiabo last stop. And 05561816666 and 0200 067500. Grace Homeopathic Clinic say asudie free awurade ho se wono mbesum nipa e wa hombrase ene no kuremo empenfo atra se apia kubi nana yaw NDC communications team member apia odanso obehu se de kasa obekasa nyina danso na mehunu na ache apia machi na bokode
ye ni o mahin
ana miami nua no so emso afadwa so nsem ne ekosi se ne bedwam on Adum TV say and the project if you say bribia da obeti say ahohehia na ahokire e wo say dwumadi so bia okoye moa na afi say yesika fam say ye futu afam say ya daji afam no okoye sa moa no na watimi aboa nti akase ye nua prekope awarum say a osa pre say nei say MPP amanyu ko no de akwanya beto na woni bie mu fan a okọ no akọ say One is a henny, what takrade a yen pesrational, one better asemase. Na one day stamp as in Super Coupe. Bernard Odro Nyako, MPP Communications Team member, matching. Would you did and his uncle what unti be crabby no experience be? A would get man up here, Mamma Bassan Comoimo. Ben, when you answer near the church.
My mamma for Queen, dear man, operation in Chia, Ghana for Gibranity, now Monsoa, Moshe or Facebook and Opay. Edo masin ebe champion pimpen fo nyina free no nado dan kwa kufado ebe kame me susi ameso me akola wo mu no chia ye hu nyina na omahene enye ade a I think say eye first time asase mu eba you see say se kire ye sene nipa ka asem we yi a emeka se excuse me Ghana mpanyimfo bofu ya yedidwa omo mo hwe ya edidwa so e free fie kojo ho bepem ne isura sem san so person
Ghana pay for any yankasa
exactly simply put me who the reason why me cement to me crew we cement to crew we say me cement the ma fa bi mba crew na wo de yanji wo me crew obu me asa abra me so sabe crew ni kura ontimi fa asa we ni no crew ni kura ontimi fa asa we ni no nti ECOWAS apam na yen nyina ekosan ye no free trade no na ma band yen from over 41 or 42 43 items say yen timi famba on my anymore. Then what are you telling us? Fine, there are any money be high legitimate ontimi fa counterfeit and fan call same as Ghana hanum say na de ne ehu ya be srempanyfo yen say na nado dan kwakufu ado Obama adwadifo the private individuals and another danko for the Bama omo gutafo when we use every legitimate means near nimpenny fontanasi na yen hwe sansem we because hwe ube komakola agubulushi na Chinese ni sunsuo yes ice water Nigeria ni sunsuo yes ice water ya mo kwamama be dominate wa ha Sebi. Even who got attacked by the Crown Miami constituency now. Way back, I think 2009, 2010. Yeah, Kwako started oil projects in Ohono. Quite more oil industry. Oti a demu pa na sebi. Obia oil foreigner if he says Kawan is no aba. If you run able to, not the ama foreigner no. Just because or no nutria in dollars and I say Sikano Utriano, emu do same what you know. Adeni ese banisa dabi ye nyane sa ye behre mpanfo every legitimate means ye de beto form ama Ghana for ye hwan ha yen foreigners e beba ha ye Ghana for ye nka se be ma foreigner bia ma mo bia ma any business but ye follow mra no said the constitution ne ka no o ba ha bodwa na for ye Ghana for said the yentimi ko e bodwa Ghana and China any other places Nigeria any other places ye behre omo Emrano enye adwuma no bia ho nto no enra anajo mi kodu fi be 10 no be 8 come to 25 HFC estate one new one no more report ma me say enkofo bi attempt say nkomo kidnap akwala bi ho enti me follow up police station Def Track police station ye ko hwe ma union no Nigeria for police for achi omo no mo di omo ewo ehodo ba me kwarom so ma mo be but omo car na omo de kwaye sade no they allege na omo de kwaye no car da so police station sabi yen kasa ma mo kwrai mu na mo ba etutu asem ene sa niema no ye be sere omo ahene yesu sabi ye mema ni biu we can equally face them squarely but because they respect my rule of law nti no ye be sere mpanyifo guta mpanyifo money aban mpanyifo ntena se we in your politics it's borders on the on your businesses are here NDC for your business MPP for your business CPP for your business nti ye be sere gutafo money mpanyifo ntena se no monhwe na to ye mbra but me let with me alone so say we pa dey sabi and tasu mu mame I see apiakubi
yo man maminchi etiafu nyina na metin sem bi say na mewera ho papa esane say mribi atwam kwa menkroma tu yenfo oso se bibiman yen anka yen ho amom na yen amfa yen ho adwene wo yen bambom wo yen agwadim e wo yen asetene mu a mribi beba ye besore wo yen ho so se bibifo na nea wama yen awie baabi a yen awie no otene baabi no gina home yet xenophobia na Ghana fo agwadifo asore wo Nigeria fo so na Nigeria agwadifo asore e wo Ghana fo so sankonwe yina yere ntimi ni na ntasum say ye take no anas ye yifi the Pan-African framework and no penny yenkweje because omanga ye ka Ghana Nigeria Benin ne ekeka ho ampempi ne yetambo yembo no enye yempe eye miribi atwam no broni bedi yenso eno wie wotena Berlin wo fa pen no wo hwe continent no wo chema wo ho yakunya fa ho di wie no oko yen boda so ya bi wo akro ba ko ne fa wo Togo ne fa wo Ghana ubeko Western region kro bi wo ho a na aguare esi Ivory Coast na asaso ene ne pia e wo Ghana. The creation of nation states was not the doing of the black man. Na no ya ba na ubehwa kan yenya yemfa ho di ntem na nkomo rekọ so yenka ye humum ntem sanse yenyina na yenda achi na ba ko hwe ena yere ka say many African countries in economic sense no e non viable bro ni beka Ghana young population ya he every year do 30 million Togo nom ne keke ka ho economically no so bia ye na adwene say eye menko na mete me ho ase you cannot survive. It is not possible. Yen manso ya yeretwe ene den agwadifo yen to yen apum na ne ma won akrefi China yen timi nton ma yen ho a ahene ebenya wo. When we are discussing the issue about sovereignty in the economic sense na ne yere kan ye real independence o man enye just a space awubenya tron ntakubi finiema wakrefi obi manso na ba beton wo area and na yere ka say obi anim said the Nigerian market is a huge market. Ghana fu hia Nigerian market. Nigerian market Ghana yesade so hia yen. And enti wiase no baby a yen adu no obi a hia obi. Enche pie about na watwe bi sentwem na mo Nigeria o hwe ne ne erekoso wo man ebebiman mu a odu ani kire Nigeria na Boko Haram fo agekuro ne fapa ukọ baby a Niger Delta fo militant asore oba baby a kidnapping oba Ghana na ya yere ka kidnapping ho asem oba Ghana na ebinum pese what wo ho secessionist group te se ne akọ Nigeria so ya Biafra fo pese what wo ho problems are how yen wo Ghana problems are we be memu no baby are the same problem. The problem is about okwan ayefa so na ye organize in society and as yet nase okwan ayefa so produce ni ayehia okwan ayefa so ye produce awie ne ye beche okwan ayefa so ne ye betimi edi nkita ho bro ni friend exchange ene okwan aye betimi ahyehye ye ho so mante ase. We are one people. And it is asemi ya yerehosem mame esane say and na yereka say because of that border ya won close no utie report na Benin kura de erikun won chen yempo because Benin aduan bebreba wo kra ba no dodo na afi alatem na rebe ereka Togo ereka foforo wo Cameroon and it America ko say oman sankomo ya eye na asore no in theory yeka ECOWAS protocols na ade a kire se yina yenka ye humom ne anigwa a empempi na wokrata so hwe Okay, economic partnership agreement.
Yeah.
European Union, yes. One of the whatever they consider us as one people, one bloc. You know, West Africans. They want to trade with us as a bloc. What compelling? My the ensashe sakrata na say na yereka say EPA adwuma also a mutual trade. It's mutual trade. Wo dey na dey ko broni krum. Ni ode ba ha no do so chen wo dey. It's a mutual, but you cannot compete. Sasem by me kai Nigerian Labour Congress. Sorry, okay, one of the big unions I was sorry I say. Enya no kwanen ye twimwa nkusiaga ena ne economic partnership. Obroni hu yen say ye one block. Ya sign ECOWAS protocols. Now you sign back on African Free Trade Continental something. 54 countries are signed. Ye chere say ye ne ye hu ba bedigwa. Na we no ho asemeza say you produce you adin agwadi ne babedi. The trade relations should be centered on what we produce and our ability to produce. Na fe we are ye di ye hu gwade a na enye ne ma yan akokra fi China ba. And mama you free trade near tongue and for China for and as a Bruno Kotoku. So we discuss trade, we discuss economic relations within the framework of our ability and our capacity to produce, which is connected to job creation, which is connected to our sovereignty, which is connected to raising the revenues. Yebetimidia siakwang, yebetimidia siadang, yebetimidia mayamaku school. The interconnectedness of things, so man. We look at things from the perspective of our mutual benefit. Nyam make ka want to say. Enne utie story na. Enya say border nyina no wan close o. Wan close trade on land. One land border sports here adwuma in Nigeria. It is all your defuna do utime de won ma fa port ba. Odu be du gwa. Na nipa hin na etime kra na ma fa ship mu. And into what share the thinking now. Once more can say in order to be able to monitor their revenue into Pafa port bra. But the pay and it mean 1 year mafa port bra. So there's a certain class relation. Many abo bribiso no reka dango te hu asem and so on. And now here can say minim say Ghanaian businesses be award the capacity to use the approved port. No, they will be trading. Well, wo guta. I would do get one account. So that policy in itself is not neutral. And as a new say a flat mobile, it's discriminatory to the extent say over the capacity to use what is available. I know mama boy.
Yeah.
It's not neutral. What me the for port today, I'll be do gwa. But to hear into me from port. Into hear into me nigwa. Mesre say a bimang and a young penning. And one I had the young Dutch Asha was our baby memono. And you want said, say one may be man young and no say. Ache Obiaba no abedwene ne nko ne ho ene ne ebekọ na furu ne abusia.
How do we solve it? How do we solve it? Because you know yakasasa but say yes ya de anokwan na ye 2 and more. It's not a joke. How do we solve it?
No man.
Me with the question that you're asking, say how do we solve it?
Koguta fonto kwa we kwan sebe nyen to kwase pupu wona dwen chire ne wona hawa on the 2 Jan for over 10 years.
Well,
over 10 years.
What's the beginning make say ya pasem sanstrase. Guta for sorry. Kumase for sorry. No more to foreigners shops say businesses any so omoye no and no moye no omayimu. They say yeah on maximum for ye no and a foreigners and eba bay. They say omo bay no omo mame. Abai bemu munya guta. But ask yourself, is it still going on or it isn't? It's still going on.
It's going on.
Yes. But yet go. And it is me a Chinese ni. My baba ye baako. Me buy no. I am here. Be the minimum say Ghana for the omope amafo. I am here anwado. Definitely. Me no to China no oba no so no. Oni say ye Lin Huanju sa ma anwado. Nti me so me call e sa na de baby. Nti akwaye say a standard operating procedure. But for me, I suggest to say we should put up some measures. Guta, omiye hu so ye guta. Na nya no na ye guta. Omiye hu say omiye guta.
But they have a limit on metimiako.
fine, but if you have the limit, I'll be to me aqua. Baby, obi right and no obedience so why won't you go to obi and any the say free baby awo the end no abai no mo make sure say abai no enforce it laws no and a mesre say MPPO say NDCU nyina ba ma Ghana for. So we should protect the interests of our people. That notwithstanding, I'm not saying it's abai be yes sir, but that is what should be paramount to us. What do you mean China kwa ye niema bi say? Look, you been say I can see once. Your telcos ni bebre so krampo take it for granted.
Telcos no.
Exactly. I'm not take it for granted. Oko America say a data $45-50 who using for the whole month. For the whole month. Benedi ni hu Ghana. A dear ne buy 6% no, or the also absorb it. 9% the also the own pet Nagana for absorb it. You see,
yes,
so almost 9%.
So already the 6 no now they've washed off their hands.
That's what I'm saying.
Yeah.
Jared I must won't keep the 6 them for 9 so for 3. What prevents them from taking the 6 for us to also to absorb the 3? And here man kitting say now I expect trade unions among kasa about this. No mo nyai so mo do mo political businesses mo.
Trade unions.
Exactly.
The SS o mo ye no mo nye.
Oh, am I?
No mo ya manyosem.
You throw some be esa pensem bi. And this abreda mo tamahabo. MPP abreda that's what tamahabo. Ye trade union paying for be niema. Ye ni conversation no mo nyaye. Enne. And so ye been wajuma. Ye ni conversation we are telling them say some person mo business in here. That's their field though. They should protect it. No mun jai some beyond modern politicians and politicians no. See ye na sa ye hu se kwabena die ni. Kwesi die ni. Kwabena me ma kwesi die. Kwesi me nko kwabena die. But men kase ma mo ni nkomo. But protect who die na me so protect me die. Ye na sa won so wanyi nipa. Memfa bibia na politician and obi tibi didi no nam ka ko no ato otika no ato ade na to form man to anto form politicians be say enya adwuma e sabi doesn't make sense. Say ye di mraso ne ehunu say na ese meye we ye bebo ame a enka sabi o man de ehun nyina no ke ehun enti gutafo omo so emmo omo fa omo so form na insi form na de ese omo ye no omo nye.
Well, Mama can say one of studio and say a mini anima Pierre Kubi Nanaya NDC communications team member and Afi Bernardo Dronya Council MPP communications team member. If you've just joined us at Dwaso 7 Adom 106.3 and Uche Osha Brena non kraba pamle Junu Nsia enche non die PJ Munafi OPD e de ono so dwumedia obo dwumno kansema kese na ode abesoso e de but Go TV simen koson kan say ne on decoder no e wo Dwaso a eno ne Go TV Max no utia 65 Ghana city no nya bre etimi ahwe eye La Liga ana fe Serie A no di na live matches na okohwe nese afi na ya boy wi na okohwe de ma Go TV dance kwa no nti wadarama ko Go TV dwumakunum bia mia hodo nyina ne bia ton won decoder no na pe eye Go TV eye Max bito 65 Ghana city e bia na peso France and otu anamo akwa eye 0302 740-540 0302-740-540 na one Go TV for any kita ho na show matches so live Go TV live it and love it MTN so se men koso so mo nkae se ene de obi team pone so be chewade a na why crowd no din hihye ne so pepepe on se edu ba bia oye adwuma sa na wanka se wa bre edu be se o pause na fi wa chele kakra enti o mo ka cho se dial *567# na fi wa build your points no say o build your points bia kakra till the end of November achede sunko ya hihya ma oni ebi wa benya Bose headset ebi wa 4G devices ebi was mobile money ebi was KFC vouchers na fi so vouchers how those are betimi dia shopping any other incredible achede abenya no bosumi bia kai hunu say ansana be part of this so dial star 567 hash na odia build o points no go ba so check your points so o send it check 567 and also you see MTN Pulse Apple now obetuma check your points every day because MTN terms and conditions apply but assembly you say we day for you everywhere you go. Well, apia me won say what to corner but say communication dey dey what sim get but yeah go take tebians na dey no chima na who see break up
mama for aminu aso fa sama obisa say be ne den no ne di kan ampese me kan say wo fa ho dia na kire say wo te wo ho ne wase
say wo fa ho dia
na kire say wo te wo ho ne wase nya wo bedi nya wo be hye nya do ti beto no unnan obi ayesa na memu nso tia
na sa ode wo ho no
ode wo ho nen esa ne se oman yi yen sika ye de hyehye yen abrabo na ye de be ya kwan na ye de betua school fo ka ye de betua teacher fo ka na ne keka wina jeso ohoho be so wo so ansa na watumi aya so ohoho no woni nya asema wo betumi aka na asem yen budget aye dubu oman no obroni amfa nso so ya ma yentimi ntra yen
ho awo so ache o ya so ya sesa
fantastic na nienti e beche ne say the resources are available wo de beche che wo man wo oil ya kan yes ya wo oil on percentage it's just about 13%.
Yes your oil
yes Ghana obi aso wo oil na Ghana wo no
ohamu nchemu edumi ensa
yes ya wo gold na gold no so ni aye wo mu no enu 5%. And na ye wo human resource eye mabun a wo betimi asi adan na nipa nya ba bia da mabun a wo betimi aye akwan na ye mfiri afa so mabun a wo betimi aye adwuma wo industry no man na tumpon mabun no you unemployed what's one ko private sector na nipa hin na betimi akọ private sector aninti se won ne wo ho na ne wo hia wontimi produce na ukobo bose na yen akobo madu about 200 and something billion na se wo kire China ni Aisha wan China be ka kire wo se fa ne breme esa ne se wan fa na mreme asa bauxite na me de brem musika de aye you know on sarenka so you cannot so American ni soldier ni no re hyehyɛ mra obeka kire wo se America soldier ni di nkwase asem wo manga ne ma fa ne bra abrochiri ni ni nasem esan se ono no reboa wo wakoje millennium challenge account sika won ho and into the way out and say ye be hyase atena se ne adwen kwan a manga na no ne onyankopon de ache yen ahoden yen nyapade yen agude ne hye ba bia no ye be di ho nkomo akase okwan benso ye de refa esan se so bro no bra otaku no de ho du konukrom koye niye na wo the tax kakra bi na wuja ubemi awo manmufo so there's no other alternative the alternative and to have a leadership ebeka se Ghana ye Ghana for de emu agude ne ne hyefom nyina no onyame de mayen se ne be ya ye betimi de aboye mra amanga developing asa no wo ye nen se China beba ha na China nso mri bi atwam Japan fu di won so once we come assume but was sorry and the leadership like Chairman Mao and one e kan ho ka say yabre entwa ye beto yan apum ye be kire kom ye be si yan industries ye be ye ne esese ye eno na ne Ghana sorry America for krampuru soon and into the only way is to think into man masamba ko America say Ghana is not poor, it is the ideas and the strategy of our leadership which is poor.
Ghana is not poor. Yeah, repeat your mommy.
Missy,
na mami nchire mu di ntia okasa.
So nyame ama wo gold. Onyame ama wo diamond. Onyame ama wo bauxite. Onyame ama wo timber. Onyame ama wo mabun ene young population almost half ye mrante ne maba. Onyame ama wo nimde a wutime dwene fa dwene. Na wantimi amfa nye ne sese wo ye. Of course, a leadership problem. Na se leadership nso wo ho no ntimi nya. It is not the country which is not endowed or poor. The ideas of the leadership no. Eno na yare.
So all this while leadership are failure
of course.
And at a certain point in time and omo de die na a problem am I.
Man, the point you need to understand is we are saying onya nko na ote. Ghana enye isolated. Ghana ye obroni beka na in constant relationship with other international forces. Oh nunya wo befa wade. Omu krampo. Kwame Nkrumah she biase. Wo hu se baby Nkrumah de yen reko na enye esanse ye bede yen ho. Kwame Nkrumah brace, we had 0 unemployment. We were importing labor actually. When you go and read the declassified files of the CIA, what Roy was a Kwame Nkrumah no or Emma before not the one who do nti ni fi wo. Eninti esan say nea onya mfaso fi yen gold ne yen bauxite ne yen diamond ho no say na o ka kire ni so ri nya san mfaso no bi wa. Ono so no betwe. And I'm saying this, why? Omanpayin abedi akire ba wumi awo or repeat to me. Also borrowing crampo the lazy man's approach. Omanpayin Akufo-Addo kan say yeti sika so so ye mobodo do. Onim. And
those are true statements.
Of course, I agree with them. Nti wonya to me then one I have. Busiana na wo 120 something. They say I could do 200 and something billion. So it is not Ghana which is poor.
Our leaders, no.
The ideas of the leadership is what is poor.
Why? Me so baby I mean you can say yeah. Me in the bay adwene. So Ghana is rich, but the leadership, that is why we have problem.
Leadership ni na the adwene ko see one year policy ni so anase ya won man him.
You see, Ghana for it near the adwene ko see omo year policies ni so. But forgotten say me sabi Mako school, Mako Port and Harbors. Meshe me Port and Harbors near develop baby kakrada meet me aye. Me nua ono so akosua carpentry. Ono so behwe ne de no ono so develop. But carpentry no jai ne de no so be white collar job aye. And it's wanya, what do we do? Me a sabi me so me koye Port and Harbors no. Se me penkunwa to a ese me import na me de ba. Because me no ja wanya ne de no e kwa koye white collar job. Enti akwara no ono so ye wo ne ketwa na no ono so be pick it up no. Ono so hu say white collar job na ye. Enti sadia me mfa mani nko carpentry side and I say fitting shop no. Na me so me nko. So what then do we need? I say importing kofo and I say importing vehicles, any others from outside. Na the best share economy ni mo. Now, nyese bia MPP need to make us some way. But that is the fact that I expect every objective Ghanaian to look at it from that angle. Che say Ghana for ye bompire pank I would suggest that is me. Ye bompire man another than Akufo-Addo and Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia. No munyinije. Why am I saying that? Because look, I'm more vision. Indeed, Nana Danko Akufo-Addo catcher say Ghana is rich, yet is castle, and so commodity. And Obaye no so no, we and I said, yet to one say ye share, the Nana Danko Akufo-Addo oh yeah. Yet me who say, as some no kind of still they be out who say, a ringy one argument say Ghana for, yet is castle, and so commodity. But when near the 9 the M50. Or no who identify no what year.
From 1992 ye dua sa.
And I make us say
ye dua sa o.
Obi ye no obi abetwa.
Ye dua sa.
Ye dua na say.
Ye dua sa from baby am ye dua chedodo.
Omahene ye nua because ye hu ni say papa no hu ni say na Nana Akufo-Addo hu ni say so man bia be ye a ewo ejina human resource na ewo mu no. Na we develop mo ko school sabi yetime pick it out and yama be a timid day, and no near a diabana maker.
The free SHS.
And also my Nipanos be very school.
Togo and I make us and I make us say, Obia so quiet carpentry no on the near white collar job. Me I make quite a pot and harbor so miss me yammy dear ho, but no free need the end ever become home. And Qualano almost so air chassis no. Almost one say white collar job no, and no now quite Benes Cadia to Ubeji loan at the Atoka, Ubeji loan, Ubenya mortgage now the aqua quarter.
Craving patch of Fachem.
Mamma Landy.
Ninty a carpenter in be fee carpentry. No I be count who approach and say, O man penning a man who come out China for the Mkuma and a near my banty carpenter in the Jumano and Cosu Yentio Babano no be digua.
On some make us a carpenter in who say, Say me. Men knew him because yet your mind and a parliament, a importing Kunya.
Fantastic.
Edibai from China. Men knew him. Yet your mind and a importing Kunya free China and Edibai. And it's any panabecase. Semi Crani and Tom Fanco Parliament near Befadia, but the enemy million and conquest million in Channel.
It is about also policy and how you protect that industry.
Very well. And no till another drunk. Osha, you fire a new call. Say you developing from Nkwalano from that class 1, class 2. The need to actually some vocational institute and so. I yes, some can now and only a Diabana and another Kuku Fado. What do you know? And no American wants them say, you know, being NDC, MPP, CPP, KG, whatever. See, ever go soon sure. You ever go soon sure. Nayan Nani. Kwakwa do be there and to and said it there. And can the next 8 years, many profit by Kabetimi and Shabose, the 8 years to come. In Kagana, you who said yet.
You go try and write by a communication tax in Korea Kwaba.
Our mommy always wants us to be strong.
She wants us to have enough energy to start the day. Yay!
That's why I give them the richer and creamier Cadbury Rich Choco every day.
And we love it! Yay!
Enjoy your deliciously rich and creamy rich choco made from the finest Ghanaian cocoa, milk, and sugar.
Yummy!
Rich choco made from the finest Ghanaian cocoa.
This advertisement has been vetted and approved by the FDA.
This is a pre-boarding announcement for MTN Pulse and Chill Flight 567 to Dubai. Keep browsing and talking with your MTN Pulse bundle to stand the chance of winning an all-expense paid trip to Dubai. You can also win Bose headsets, 4G devices, and more from now to 30th November. Send check to 567 or use the MTN Pulse app to check your points today. We'll see you in Dubai.
MTN Pulse. Just be. Terms and conditions apply. We're there for you everywhere you go.
When you wake up in the morning before you start your day, breakfast time is Kellogg's time. For work and for play, for a great start to your day, breakfast time is Kellogg's time.
We always start our day with a nourishing Kellogg's breakfast, powered with the goodness of grains and 11 essential vitamins and minerals. Kellogg's makes a great tasting breakfast for all of us.
Now also available at just $1 cedi. This advertisement has been vetted and approved by the FDA.
Senyumbeda, ijina sedien senkun nina bebo, senkubofu nina bono pepe pa. Enyuma woye no eye sonkon. Sana brabonso tie. Siye kabunwa di tumi yeno danson. Enunti na Fidelity Bank esi fapemse ope buawo ama weni swadi hunu abemu woni Fidelity siye kabunwa ibetumi aje nyoma bibre.
Fidelity Bank, believe with us.
Good afternoon, Auntie Cynthia. Please, I am Alex from Perspiration Insurance.
Cynthia, sa Pesciden Insurance no, my way.
Abrantie, Pesciden Insurance no, my way ana.
Oh, no, Auntie. However, our underwriting...
Yeah, osi under den.
For me, I said our underwriting compensation plus...
Cynthia, my insurance for both can send you wrong bio. Dial *165#. When TN so say sia, na Jeep My Way Life and disability insurance. And yet they say we better registration na se cry. Any 5 minutes impo. Musumi bia. Every 3 60 pesos per na here. Cynthia, and My Way way, I say no way.
Dial star 1655 on MTN to register and pay for My Way insurance from your Momo wallet for as little as 3 Ghana cedis, 60 pesos a month. My Way, simple life insurance on your mobile. Brought to you by My Life and MTN Momo.
TV and the National Theatre at the concert party at Shabukirano Abril, Mimida, 19th October 2019. Any 4 p.m. 5 p.m. on Adum TV. Juju share Sri Nenya Hoto. The man will feel the baby at the brown. I will grow the so. It's burning there. Yaba concert party. Ubasria.
Then once my downfall, but the boy.
Multi TV and syndicated capture at the Gargantuan Xmas hamper at the Proviviana 150 Ghana CD per Ubenya quality advanced S2 decoder satellite dish antenna any LMB Brunya ento hamper biakako to hamper back Kabusiana Koma Nadia ni Jabramo and it just some say yamo over 100 world class TV and radio channels Albania sports news telenovelas and then quadra programs are who do P quality advanced S2 decoder and over voltage protector, auto scan, 1 year warranty, any USB slot, auto pen drive, best shower action movies, I show so. Friend, I was 0302 242532 and now 0501 529937. Mrs. Subium 0302 242532 and now 0501 529937. Where are your multi TV Gargantuan X Max hamper? Mabushana ni abra 150 Ghana city per quality ye dear boss so free.
Jim FM 106.3.
Only God can stop us now.
106.3 FM.
Well, Bema Wakwenya ma watimi ni medin komo ebe community be enwotwe ama nondu abwa sana OPD enso di jumede be to asoma ope the best in terms of branch OPD and obe odesan common energy deno ebe bro nti studio hade Dwaso Nsem on Adom 106.3 FM era apia kubi nana ya NDC communications team member na fe Bernardo Dro nya NPP communications team member oprese woni si hene or Takra de Subetinasi na wono amanagina MPP name or Takra. But since 1964, BBC Industrial has won the best of a quality paint and is proudly made in Ghana. And one war the reputation a dear dancers at the Pankwa Anna one de bro. Finest paint one is Leyland paints, the finest quality. The finest brightness, the finest coverage, the finest choice of exciting colors, the finest finish, and most importantly, the finest price at the part nebo esa form. Finest painty, Babos emotional oil, Oko paint distributors biana retailers or maemwa ubenya bi aton. Dodona nkasa de fre 0276 950 000. 0276 950 000 na one finest paint for on the finest price abro eninkomo share so say since 1964 ana enimoto abasa kom say yedi juma ewa no say ma membra ira Bernard Odro nyakoso communication service taxi quickly let wrap up with that minute miensa na afia yenu apia ko bisu minute miensa ne ko
in communication service tax you know I think say bibia enye ade boni na ehun se yenu anom ne bia take no from a point of view ebra honorable oslo wusu obapa na me shira no be kasa you know I'm taking from a different side na no na se me kasa free wa wo hwa beginning once me kasa telcos no 6% no omo absorb na 3% ne be ka ho no omo say Ghana for ene ye to credit no ye mum ye nye den ye ntua 9% no now a confirm ho kakra den questionable identity na 6 ne dey now so wo fa wo by 9 dey and the way you 9 in your idea, mammy. Won't even foul 6 diamonds or men family 3. A honor question kakra why you expect to say another me in Chile free telcos no. ABM. I buy beer 7 another rank for the Ebony. You have my Ghana 40 as you say. News and taxes, no, we do not entertain, we will not encourage that. Na kakra dia we be sase ne ba ne say na more tax about 6% na wo no dada. Now, ene dia ne ehu me ma me bi oti new takrade. Me auntie, o she new takrade. Epoase. Me ye mobile money 500 Ghana de komana. 3 days, also the koto do 3 days me ho no frame coffee. Misika no obi eye free me phone. Na say why no use can free phone do. Also brand be free service providers no there. Why baby o me phone do nti on me go through nti mention no chen fa me do
o dia wono
the nyati na 500 Ghana cedis we free the phone do the nyati na 500 cedis no nipa ko no afa froster obi ti baby no all board amobra no and I me sure there onye man ko teme maame na wodaye me sure the obi so olti me no so wodaye na wodaye ne maame say ubie network ubie phone line wakasa manfo enfra you will hear from a lot of people we and another dan kwekufado yatena wo say ye ne Ghana for sign a social contract so we are coming to protect the boundaries and they come to protect the people, the good people of Ghana. Ye baba boy ya business no ho ban. Ye baba be Ghana businesses ho so ban. Na sa niema se ya ekoso no. We need to put a stop to it. Indeed na ebetimi aye. Ye mfa tefa kakra emfa to ho. Na ye mfa ntimi to machines ene niema ebetimi dia so sa cyber fraud no anu kwan. Enu nti de tefa kakra ebeka ho. Now, no be musu be say. Na dentina abane say, Mammy entered up front. Look. Any hand and a trop me know how many Tamana 6%, Nipane absorb. Yet 3% ababe kahono, abe 9%. Telcos nese absorb. Enti more users and ankasa more who absorb. And also no may sans what auto credit na martini boom. Please. Abane transit who say. Sebi, so trop you know money honey. And why don't we go back to talk to the telcos? Na mountain in kakra. That notwithstanding. Before I ever cast or mountain in kakra no. Sana telcos no. Or mote charges be at the ma buying dada. National health insurance levy. So no mote dada. And no the other thing no man cast on betting the boom no mote and kitten at the ma buying. I see. That is what we are telling them.
So your concern is that why this time the ombudsman man reflect say I 3% actually 20 auto 20 is now 18 cities 50% now ban mon pese be unsade.
And you say you pese be we are den sa taxes no you better. But what we are telling service providers and say mummy enya nkete sope so nipa na ye calls no na etiti fam
wo hwa na kakra
na nipa no so no ho ayde na kakra na boom sa no ebe obi ye ma hye obi kura BP betimi aba what you say obi BP betimi aba wan tia say obi ka say me credit ni nya na e go already ye hunu bi me my experience bi wo top bundle hu de be na asa enti omo fa kwan bi so e de aba be fore aban no na omo de aya be sasa na and na you are saying say omo to omo bo mo de mountain kitten sana na Ghana for ehu enhaye na kwoti ni boom sana dia sabe aya na ayem hwehwe kakra
abia whichever way there is a deduction and I want me adwin
oh man say ile wakasa na nyampese mekan say onyankopon boy yem ba wiase no wan fa tax ankaye so mribia du wiase a da etwema na tax and can how we organize human society. Taxes by bra states the management committee and I say nipa ye power say one share young trasen young bambo no ho ade no buy no and a tax page away the page out and say bible no baby a tax and arise around the time where there were tribal states and nation states. You need to in the primitive communal society, of course. In a primitive communal era, you don't have taxation. And I'm saying say taxes by brad the nation state. Sorry, necessary we maintain in Nipebia, we be share young asset na and young bambo and the keke. And into ne ayeka say nye we ase be bia and a tax war. the Democratic Republic of the North Korea. It's a tax-free country. The point I'm making is and yes, a tax no am we are here untimentina. Young baby baby, I was a ye boni pebi who can wash young assetina. What to 3 young near mamma young. Now was a born hooker. And into no beje kayayo, and into our beje new account, into our beje where the full bejobia direct. Ujuma yeni wena juma waton indirect mekotonsu what wafem utilities what the atoso na sesika nyina bewia then no what because you cannot discuss taxation out of the context of its usage. And we been a minister say bro 100 and something here the Land Cruisers ma of course Land Cruisers on my winning bakobo bakobo ya about 100 Land Cruiser about $100,000 to the young $100,000. So when you bang bia ne orientation ne yes SSM mo brofo nya tax na home faso ya obetimi aka say we are here Land Cruiser and be ma Toyota Corolla is about $20,000. You be save about $80,000. $80,000 or converted by Ghana cedis is about 400,000 Ghana cedis. So
over time a 2 year usage very
it's important because ultimately discuss taxes out of the context of usage. So Land Cruiser no ubetimi a savings of about $80,000 or so. And then abofre bia tihoka on education. It's about 700 to 1,000 Ghana cedis. Or go see 1,000 Ghana cedis in a public school cramba. Sacrificing one Land Cruiser, you can cater for about 400 Ghanaian children in education. So I am saying this tona ye ka ho asem ni na no abawie no baby a ye de kono baby a wode be kono is informed by abangana adwene and any interest
any fear that me da sapia Apia Kubi Nanaya, NDC Communications Team member, Bernardo Dronyako, MPP Communications Team member. So Namia do better now, Chiba Consul Begu, and the trading and Ponyaku Ponasia, that's the Daman of Consul. On the wings of our judges, who are 05, Nelly, Nima Beyonce, Africa's finest DJ Awana, Listowell Fojuo, Anafe, Kofi Hassan, Joshua Tigo, Medoman Heko Abnasanti, Ekokan Kasebono, Ewa Kankasem, Yabape, OPD, the finest branch or the bro.